Okay, let's do a little span lab. We are going to configure a monitor session. In this case, it will be monitor session number 1. Remember that the actual command for span is monitor session. Then we are going to set up the source. The source is going to be VLAN 2. So for VLAN 2, we have this particular port that is working as access. And we have this particular port here that is working as trunk. So within this trunk, we will see VLAN 2 frames, and they are going to be traveling using an AO2.1Q tag. So we are going to see also a spanning tree protocol frames coming from the switch into the router that will belong to VLAN 2 as well. And we are going to create some pings, so we will see some traffic going on for VLAN 2 between the router and this particular PC here. And we are going to create a copy of all that traffic, and we are going to send that copy to this capture device and to this capture device. So we will have two destination interfaces. This will be one destination interface. This will be another destination interface for the same monitor session. We are going to enable encapsulation replicate because we want to copy also layer 2 frames, for instance the spanning tree protocol frames that belong to VLAN 2, for instance, and we want to see the AO2.1Q tags that are traveling through the trunk. So let's go to the lab. This is the setup. We have gigabit 03 and that is configured as trunk, and we have gigabit 01 that is configured as access. We could issue show on monitor session all. No span configuration is present in the system. So let's configure it. So the first thing that we need to configure is the source. We are going to create monitor session 1 and the source will be VLAN number 2. Then we are going to configure the destination. In this case, the destination are two interfaces, gigabit 00 and gigabit 02. We need to enable encapsulation replicate as well. So we are going to establish gigabit 00 and 02 and encapsulation replicate. After doing so, we can issue, for instance, show interface gigabit 00, and we will see that it is up and the line protocol is down because it is being part of a monitor session. So it will show as monitoring. The same goes for gigabit 02. It will show up as monitoring. Now we can issue show monitor session 1. We'll see that it is a local session, it is a span. We are monitoring VLAN, in this case VLAN 2, and we are monitoring both directions, reception and transmission, and the destination ports are 2, gigabit 00 and 2, and we have enabled encapsulation replicate. Now let's set up a couple of traffic captures here just to make sure that this feature is working correctly. So we have this capture here and this other capture here. Remember that the capture is going on now, so we will be seeing for instance spanning tree protocol packets that belong to VLAN number 2. So that is working now. So we can now send a ping if we wanted to. So let's ping the router from the PC, and we should see packets going on. So notice that we are sending 2 copies because we have 2 destinations. Notice that the packet that goes from the PC to the router, we have this is the packet that goes from the PC to the router, and we have another copy that goes through the trunk port. This is the copy that goes from the access port, that is received from the access port, and this is the copy that is going from the switch to the router through the trunk port. I know that because we are seeing the AO2.1Q tag here. That's it.